What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with American Ford RVD. Hope you're having an awesome day, because we are. We have new hires, new things going on. We got some cool projects happening. So introductions and then shop update. So first introduction, it's Sarah. Say hi, Sarah.
Hi.
Sarah is our new front desk hire. She will be answering the phones, welcoming you when you come in. She'll be helping me out specifically because I'm one man and it's a lot. So she's my helper. Say hi. Hi. Anywho, quick shop update. So first things first, I want to start off with, that's probably bright. I want to start off with Karen. Karen's in the shop right now because we've made some changes, or we're going to make some changes. So we did the build, kind of like the everyday, every man, the normal budget that people usually have to build a Jeep. So we started off with $6,500. We built something that's really awesome, and it was great, or it was good at everything. It was good on road, it was good off road. Now, certain situations off road, it would probably struggle or probably get some things ripped off, but that was the general idea. Well, what if you had a little bit more of a budget and you wanted something a little bit more specialized into, I guess there's really only two things, mud and rock. I don't like mud, so let's go for rock. So we're gonna be doing another build series with Karen and doing something a little bit more catered to rock crawling. So we've already got a bunch of stuff ordered. Some of it's here, like we were talking about in the last video. 4Ds are here, so I already started playing with that. But she's gonna go through some changes, and it's gonna be really cool. So I've already started screwing around with one of them. Damn, that's a big tire. So I got the 37s over here. So I got these 4Ds on, looking all sessified. Let's see, here we go. But yeah, it's gonna be nasty. So as far as suspension, or let me rephrase, as far as drivetrain was great when we first initially built it. We built it to where you could not have to redo it or add more to the drivetrain. It's already built, ready to go, and it'll do just about damn near anything. So that's all staying, but as far as the suspension, a lot of the body panels, body parts, we're gonna be changing that up. So Chris went ahead and he ripped out all the suspension. He's got the axle sitting on jack stands. And we're gonna do some changes. I don't wanna tell anybody what we're doing just yet, but it will be pretty freaking awesome. So I'm not gonna tell you what we're doing, but I will say this. The 37s that were on Karen, I mean, hell, they have like less than 500 miles on them. They will be for sale. So there's 5 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those will be for sale. The front bumper will be for sale. I think Bob wants the rear, but just in case he doesn't, I'm gonna give everybody a quick look. The rear bumper will be for sale. The hardtop, and yes, the hardtop will be for sale. I don't know if anybody's got a yellow Jeep, but hey, whatever. You can also rhino line these things to where it's black. That way it matches your Jeep. I don't care what you do with it, but the hardtop, front bumper, rear bumper will be for sale. The rock sliders will be for sale. The fenders and everything are coming off. And of course the 37s, those will be for sale for my cost. So that's really cool. That way, if anybody was needing some 37s but kind of low on some cash, awesome, perfect deal. Brown Santa dropped us off some presents. We've got Noah's brother in here. We're doing some TPMS swaps with Noah's Jeep. So getting that done. We got Wes's headlights in. Super awesome. He had the factory headlights and factory fog lights, so we got him some halos, LEDs. Those are in, working. I'm driving Rabbit because obviously Karen's in the shop being screwed with. Kyle got my old suspension. So, I mean, hell, I only had like 500 miles on this suspension, so it's practically brand new. So we've been screwing with this all day, putting all my suspension into it. Brant is doing his trusses, and we also got, we're also doing our steering kit to it as well. So we got some Evo trusses, front and rear, my entire suspension system, and it's gonna be looking cool. And then the rear is under that box, but that's Evo as well. So it'll be really awesome. Well, Brant's doing pretty good with his welds, looking really nice. So cool, got that going. We got a whole bunch of crap going on back there. Let me show everybody the bus, because the bus has gone through some serious... Hey, Brant, did you lock the bus? Huh? Did you lock the bus? Yeah. Damn it. Gotta go unlock the bus. But anywho, lots of things going on today. What else is he getting? He's getting some other crap. I don't remember what else Kyle's getting, but he's getting a whole bunch of stuff. So let me get the keys here. I wasn't prepared for this. Where are the keys? Brant! Where's the keys for the bus?
Thought it was on your desk, but it might be here. No, I threw it back in the spot on the hanger.
I'll go double check. Jesus.
That's why I have to have a list.
Yeah. Good God. Anyways, we started locking the bus up at night because now, one, it has a fucking door. Number two, it's got all of our cool stuff in it. So, or it's got a bunch more stuff in it. So I'm gonna take you through the front here, if I can find the key. Okay. Check out the school bus. Check this thing out. Looky here. Brant made, got our tables in here. We got butcher's block countertops, metal frame. We got our stove. We got our refrigerator. We got another countertop, and another countertop will go right here with some cabinets. There'll be some cabinets. This is my 3-year-old's bed, so that's really cool. And then we'll have some storage right here in the front here. We've got the rest of it in here. We've got a brand new couch with a pull-out bed, so that'll be our bed. And then the pooper. The pooper will be right here. And then we got the shower in there. So this thing is pretty freaking sweet. It looks like crap right this second, but it is starting to come together, and Brant's doing an awesome job on that. Freaking countertops. Look at that. Look at that. It's freaking awesome. So cool. But yeah, anywho. I'm gonna lock the freaking bus up. This is gonna be a long video. Anywho, guys. I appreciate it. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for, trusting us to do all your stuff. Definitely humbles us. You know what I mean? We've only been open for 6 months, and we've been just knocking it out every single day. We've just been slam, having to hire 2 people and all that fun stuff. So as far as events, so I made an event today. We will be at the Sarah, I lost my mind. I don't know. I don't know.
Streetcar Life at Chattanooga State, August 14th.
August 14th.
Topless in the Smokies.
Topless in the Smokies. When is that one? That one's May 15th.
May 15th.
And then we'll be so the newest one that we're going to is, or did you say Trail Fest?
Trail Fest.
Trail Fest. Trail Fest, Southern Four Wheel Drive Association. They're throwing a Trail Fest at AOP. So there'll be a bunch of vendors. They'll be riding all day long. So they actually asked us if we could come over there and vend, and I was like, hell yeah! So that's gonna be super fun.
April 30th.
April 30th through the 2nd, so that's an all weekend type of situation. So that'll be super awesome. Hopefully Karen will be out there. We still got to do a lot of stuff to Karen to get her ready, but hopefully Karen will be out there. I know the Gladiator will be, the TJ will be, Rabbit will be, and then Brent as well. So for the most part, we'll all be out there hanging out, having a good time. So guys, come by, come see us, talk to us, ask Brant a million questions. I don't know. Come say hi to Sarah. And then that's it. We'll see you guys.